Stop posting. Start selling. Welcome to day 7 of 30 of teaching businesses the value of videos. Posting every day doesn't mean you're growing. A lot of businesses are active but not effective. This is because their content is not built to do anything. It's not built to capture attention, it's not built to build trust, and it's definitely not built to move people to action. So you end up with views, maybe likes, but no actual results. When video is done right, it's not just content, it becomes a tool that actually drives decisions. And that's the difference between being visible and being profitable. Save this video. Most people don't understand.